What's up, RestoMods? We got a very special feature for you this week. You may recognize this man from Netflix's Fastest Car. Out at Quarantine Cruise number 7, we got a chance to talk to Corey about his 1927 Dodge Brothers 3-window coupe that is far from stock. Check this thing out. What's going on, guys? This is Corey. We were walking by, we saw this crazy creation behind us. Can you tell us what we're looking at here?
Yeah, this is my 1927 Dodge Brothers 3-window coupe that I turned into a hot rod pickup truck. I built it over 10 years ago in my garage, and ever since I've just been adding more and more stuff to it. It has a 388 cubic inch LS in it now with two 60mm twin turbos.
What's the fastest you've gone in this car?
Gearing will let me do 160, so.
What's the suspension setup? Do we got suspension?
Yeah, it's in the rear, it's triangulated 4-link with a Speedway Engineering sway bar and dual adjustable coilovers. Wow. And then in the front, it's kind of an off-road style J-arm suspension with dual adjustable coilovers. So it's something that I actually just recently finished.
Pretty smooth?
Really smooth. I mean, pretty much drives like a Corvette.
Wow,
so.
Man.
The shifter has a CO2 shifter. So one of these buttons will shift into high gear, and then the other button is the trans brake. So when it comes to racing, it's really set up for being able to bump it in, put it on the trans brake, hit the trans brake, launch, and then one button shifts it.
Damn.
You don't ever have to take your hand off the steering wheel.
That is really cool.
This is the brake, forward. This is the gas right here.
Dude, this thing, we saw this from literally across the entire parking lot. I'm like, wow, we have to go check this thing out. That is incredible. This thing looks awesome. Thank you so much, Corey. Appreciate your time, man.
Yeah.
RestoMods, hope you love that feature of Corey's 27 Dodge Brothers 3-window coupe. That thing is absolutely incredible. If you want your chance to get into your first classic, head over to RestoMods.com, join the RestoMods Car Club today, and you're gonna get 10 entries every month to win the ride of your dreams or $50,000 in cash. Every purchase at RestoMods.com also gets you entries. Head over to YouTube, make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, hit that bell so you get notifications. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Resto_mods on Instagram, RestoMods on Facebook, and you guys can get your chance to win a custom classic of your own or $50,000 bucks.